welcome back to our vegan kitchen. Today we're doing a what I ate today.
Oh my god, what did I eat today?
Oh, we're gonna find out.
Alright.
You guys prepare to be shocked because I'm not having toast for breakfast and I haven't been having toast for breakfast.
I'm having toast for breakfast. Spoiler alert.
Things have changed. I have been obsessed with oatmeal lately.
Yeah.
I'm so into it. This is what happens. I get really hooked on something and I eat it like religiously.
Get it, girl.
And then I'm just like, eh. You know, I was eating toast every day for like the longest time.
Yeah.
Also, still have not had a bagel.
Right, since the new year.
Yeah. So
wow.
That's pretty crazy. But anyway, I like to have my oatmeal. What kind of oatmeal is this?
This is organic, Nature's Path. Organic rolled
Look up
oats.
there.
Rolled oats.
Okay, so
It's not steel cut or anything like that.
No. This is quick.
Right.
So I'm having this with, is it?
Oat milk.
No.
Oh, you're doing the almond milk. You were doing the oat milk. Chocolate cashew milk.
There we go. You know what I'm having.
Yeah.
I like to have the chocolate milk with the oatmeal because then I add peanut butter as well.
Oh, so it's like a Reese's peanut butter oatmeal cup.
So freaking good.
And you do that in the microwave for how long?
A minute and 50 seconds.
Okay.
You have to watch it though because after about
it will bubble up.
Yeah, a minute 10, a minute 20, it gets a little dangerous depending on how big your bowl is. Like today I'm eating out of a huge bowl because that's just like what
just so it wouldn't boil over.
Yeah.
Bubble over. I'm sorry, I'm so distracted by this right now. What is going on over here?
Playtime!
Playtime at the Oasis.
Yeah, so then I also love to put fresh fruit on top. So here we have these strawberries that I cut up yesterday. So
beautiful.
Right?
Hashtag beautiful.
Either strawberries or blueberries. So today's strawberries. I'm going to put a lot.
Yeah.
I like this really fills me up for like hours.
Load it up.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
It's good stuff. It's healthy.
It's filling.
It's super filling.
It's sweeping out your arteries. Not that there's any, well, because the oatmeal, the fiber.
Oh, excellent.
Yeah.
Bloop, bloop. So I'm going to enjoy that, and you're going to get your toast together, right?
I am. I'll show you in just 1 second. Making my breakfast. So, full disclosure, this is my second drink of the day.
Nice.
I had an identical twin to this one already.
Mm-hmm.
It is through the Keurig twice, 1 pod, and then I was too lazy to froth my milk. But it's this one, Planet Oat milk.
Yes.
Really good.
And we were just watching yesterday Joseph Lincoln's oat milk reviews, and that one wasn't on there. I
think he probably would have liked it.
Yeah.
I was really surprised. He tried 5 different oat milks, and the last one was Oatly.
That was the last ranked
one that he liked.
That's crazy.
That's like my favorite one.
Well, he was pretty shocked too.
Yeah. I mean, I mostly just have mine in coffee, so maybe if I just drank it straight up, it would be a different story. But I don't usually do that if I have it in cereal. I mean, I really like the Oatly in cereal, so I don't. Maybe I just like a rich, thick oat milk. I don't know. It's rich and thick and oatly.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm having a ciabatta. Shocker.
Toasted.
Toasted, lightly toasted. My mother would say, daughter, that's not toasted enough. It's got to be darker. No, this is how much I don't like it too dark because I don't want it to hurt my teeth. I don't want it to cut my
You just
mouth.
want a little crunch.
A little bit of crunch. I'm having some tofutti cream cheese, not because I like it, because I have to use it up, because I'm out of my butter. I usually use the Earth Balance, like soy-free or the organic one. If I'm in dire straits, I'll use the I can't believe it's vegan one.
Mm-hmm.
But this is what I'm having for breakfast today.
Excellent.
For better or for worse?
For better.
Eating on the go.
Yeah.
I've got some Korean barbecue seaweed snack.
Nice.
What do you got?
I have, a nut butter filled chocolate peanut butter Cliff Bar. I haven't had this flavor in like forever because I was eating the like chocolate chip one and stuff, but it'll be nice to get back to it. How's that?
Delicious.
Can I just try one because I don't know what that flavor's all about.
I think you'll like it. It's good.
It's pretty good.
Right?
Yeah. I don't think I like the plain ones so much, but the flavored ones are good.
Yeah, right? Go for it. Get your iodine. Get some.
Yeah. I think I might have my own pack of that later.
All right.
It's a lunch. Thank goodness. So, this isn't the prettiest looking thing right here, but I have some leftovers from last night. So, they consist of a crap ton, a literal crap ton of Brussels sprouts. There's a couple of carrots in there somewhere too, but we had way more Brussels sprouts than carrots. So we roasted those yesterday. I hope I'm not gonna have like a stomach problem later because I took a lot. I'm having a lot. I also have some couscous in here. We mixed the smaller one with the Israeli pearl, so it got a little bit messy. It got a little bit mushy. It's not the best consistency, but it's still yummy. And then I also have, I think this is the Aldi chickenless patty.
No, I think that's a Boca.
I don't think so.
I think it is.
Oh, okay. It's a Boca chickenless patty. I thought the other one was Gardein.
No.
Oh, okay.
Wait, there was one or two Gardein.
Because last night I had a Gardein for sure.
That was gone.
Okay.
I believe all of the Aldi ones were gone. Just a couple Boca were left.
Boca's pretty good.
Boca is very good.
And I put some guacamole salsa on top of the chicken
absolutely
patty.
love the flavor of that.
Right? It's really
It
good.
is really good.
Yeah.
I'm having some leftover risotto from
I'm going to steal one of
Easter.
those breads.
Yeah, go ahead. That was from the bread salad.
Panzanella!
I'm also going to have some of this garbage stew from the other night.
Which was also delicious.
Which is field roast sausage, kale, mushroom, potato, kidney beans.
So much good stuff.
Yeah, celery with some rice on the bottom. So the theme is rice, vegetables, and maybe a little salad on the side. I don't know.
Nice.
But that's what I had for lunch today. You done torturing your dog?
Oh, I had really good intentions. I wanted him to go out in the stroller. He hated it, so we turned around and came back.
He barked the whole time.
Most
And
of the
now,
time, yeah.
and Lucy pulled me in half the whole time, so my back is broken now.
Not doing that again.
No.
Just gonna wait until he's old enough to walk on his legs.
Yes.
So we are having a little snack here.
Mmm.
These are so delicious.
Autumn glory, baby. Beautiful.
They have a beautiful cinnamon and caramel taste. And it really does have
Yeah.
a taste like that. It's crazy.
Sweetness. It's the sweetness.
And these are some big boys.
Yeah, so we're each having one. I hope you enjoy. Alright, it's dinner time.
Yes.
I did have a little piece of bread before. I feel so guilty.
Oh my
I
god.
didn't film it.
Oh, don't forget about that one.
Yeah, Daddy's got his eye on it.
Okay.
So we got the beautiful vegan pizza tonight. It's flattened meatball, Dea provolone, Trader Joe's organic pasta sauce, which is
Nice.
absolutely delicious, and Greek salad with house dressing. Mad Rose D house dressing with white balsamic.
It's really good.
Thank you much. This is very puffy tonight. Loving it. Enjoy. Mmm.
Yummy, yummy.
It's dessert time. We got the dessert train here. Chugga, 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 chugga.
This one is
choo,
not
choo.
vegan. That's Sean's.
Get out of here.
Only because of this.
Yeah. So I'm having some of these accidentally vegan Aldi Girl Scout cookie knockoffs.
Well, I'm having the
Thin
same
Mints.
as you.
Oh, okay. And we got an Unreal in there. These are so good.
They are really, really good.
And some peanuts.
Yum, salty sweet.
Mmm.
Perfect combo.
Look at that. That's a vat of cookies.
I know, right?
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed watching what we ate
It was
today.
a really good food day.
This by no means is what you should be eating. This is just what we ate on a particular day in April of 2019.
Yeah.
So,
Isn't today, it's April 20, no, tomorrow's April 20, no, today's April 25th.
Today's the 25th.
That movie, what is it? Miss Congeniality.
Oh, is it?
Describe your perfect date. April 25th because, yeah.
That must have been the friend. Yeah.
Of course.
All right. Well, I'm gonna
So
dive
there you
into
go.
this because I'm almost dead. It's been a long day. I got up at 5 this morning. So make sure you hit subscribe, hit the like button if you enjoyed it. Hi, Minnie. She said thanks for watching, everybody. And until next time, much love.